So we are going to discuss question number 3, part A. The coding system is BCD. Yes, Imashi, what is BCD stands for? Yes, binary coded decimal, isn't it? Okay, if you do not remember. Yes, how many characters we can represent using this system, coding system? Yanula? So in BCD, we represent all the decimal digits from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2. So let me put decimal, right? Decimal digits in binary coded decimal. So from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's all. Using how many bits? Pute, how many bits we have used in BCD? Malindu, do you remember how many bits we were supposed to use for in the coding system? We are using 4 bits, right? So that means 0 is present like 0, 0, 0, 0. 1 is so you can see we are using 4 bits. Number of bits skill. So number of bits. We are using 4 bits, right? So how many characters? What is the correct answer for this one? Yes, how many characters? The question asks how many characters you can represent in this coding system. Yes, I told you 0 to 9, how many characters? Opute, Tivanka? Yes, we are using Okay, so this is what you need to remember. So it's appear that you don't remember. So BCD stand for binary code decimal. So all the decimal digits, that means 0 to 9, we are representing using 4 bits binary, right? So that means total number of characters we can represent using BCD take down, it's 10, 0 to 9. So for example, a simple question. No, Tivanka, it's not 16 because we are supposed to only represent only 10 digits. Others are not used. Although using 4 bits, we can represent 16. So binary coded decimal uses only 10 out of these 16. So make a note of that. That is very important. So quick question. So how do you like represent 10 in BCD? Yes. Can you tell me how to represent 10 in BCD? Yes, Tivanka, you are correct. So 10, you cannot use like this. This is wrong. So 1 separately, you have to have leading zeros, 1, and then 4 zeros. So this is how you should represent 10 in BCD. So make a note of this. I think we have discussed these earlier as well. If you do not remember, maybe I could share the videos on those, right? Okay, so ASCII. In ASCII, how many bits we are using?
7.
Yes, we are using 7 bits, which means how many characters we can represent? Yes, that means 2 to the power 7. How much? 2 to the power 7? We have discussed in the third question, part A. And what we have discussed so far is use of coding systems and number of characters. We start with binary coded decimal. So in binary,
128 characters.
yes. So in ASCII, we are using 7 bits to represent, and the number of characters are 120. Good. Similarly, MCD, how many bits we are using?
Eight.
Yes, we are using 8 bits. Good. So we are using 8 bits, which means how many characters? EBCDIC, how many characters?
As I think 256.
256 characters. Okay, finally, Unicode. Yes, Unicode, how many characters? How many bits first? Yes. Any idea? Yes, it is 16 bits. We can say 16 bits. Actually, new versions, we have even 32 bits. But in your level, we can say it's 16 bits. So how many characters there? If you have 16 bit,
More than 200 and
yes, it should be 65,536. Now, actually, the real value is much more than this, but your level, we are going to assume that the number of bits we are using for Unicode is 16 and the number of characters is 2 to the power 16. Maybe I can write down here. So that is 2 to the power 16 equal 65,536. So here 2 to the power 8, we have 256. This is 2 to the power 8. This is 2 to the power 7. Right, but this one, it's not 2 to the power 4 because it's not use all the 16 bits, only first 10 digits we are using. So that's why we are getting 10 here. So make a note of this. Okay, so we have Dulin and Neha. What you missed is we were discussing question number 3, part A. We were looking at coding systems. Binary coded decimal is the first one. It uses 4 bits, but it represents all the decimal numbers using 4 bits binary, right? So so the total number of characters we can represent it in BCD is 10 characters. In ASCII uses 7 bits. That means the number of characters are 2 to the power 7. That is 128 characters you can represent in ASCII. EBCDIC uses 8 bits. So which means 2 to the power 8, that is 256 characters can be represented in EBCDIC. Unicode, actually there are so many bits now you can use, even 32 bits. But your level we will discuss as 16 bits. So 2 to the power 16 is 65,536. So that's what we were discussed so far. Right. Okay, guys. So let's move to the second part. Right. Copy the following table and fill the columns of the software table using the list of brackets. So here are the set of software. You need to put the values correctly in these cages. Yes. Shall we quickly do? You can type the answers in the chat. Let's start with the proprietary software, a proprietary operating system. So what are the proprietary operating systems? You can find it here. Operating systems. What do you mean by proprietary? That means it's not free, and usually you have to pay for it, and the source code is not usually open. So what are the operating systems? We'll start with that one. Yes, we can proprietary operating system. We can take Microsoft Windows 10 and nowadays Windows 11 as well. So all the Windows version, they are proprietary software, which means you have to pay for it and nobody can see what is inside. And even Macintosh, Apple Mac OS also comes under this. So Apple Mac OS. So these are the two correct answers. Good. Most of you have actually typed the answers. Good. Don't worry if you're making mistakes. So just type it. Right now, from the the list of software available here, can you tell me what are the free and open source operating systems are there?
Ubuntu, Linux.
Yes, when it comes to free and open source software, so the Linux will be the only answer. Yes, and there are distributions. The Ubuntu is one of the distributions. Distributions means you use the kernel. Kernel can have a main software module. You know, you are using a Linux kernel plus other software. You make a distribution. So Ubuntu is a distribution actually. Hantan OS is a distribution. Right, now let's look at the application software. Now, you know that some software we can install in our computers and some are online, which means if you have an internet and a browser, you can use the software. We call it cloud computing. So what are the application software available here, right, which works on cloud computing technology? Yes, this is operating system. This is operating system. This is operating system. Okay, Google Chrome. Chrome is a software, right?
Google Doc. Yes. So cloud computing. Right? So in this particular case, we can say Google Docs. So that's the only one we have, right? It's a word processing software, cloud computing one. Right. Let's move to the second one. What are the software that can be installed, application software in computers? Yes, Imashi? What are the software you can think from here can be installed? Google Chrome.
Yes, first one, Google Chrome, that's a web browser. Yeah, that is there. And then LibreOffice.
Right.
Right. Okay. So that is again right. So what is the left is utility software. So what are the utility softwares remaining?
Task Manager and this form.
Exactly. So we can use Task Manager. But we have left with Task Manager and disk formatting. Right. So these are the utility software which you can think of as utility software. Okay, so I think now we have completed question number 3, part A. So let's move on
to part B then? Right. Can you send me the answers first? Right. Let's look at part B. Right. So usually, depend on the geographical area covered by network, we can categorize computers as local area network, metropolitan area network, and wide area network. Now we said if the network covers only a building or a small part of it, then usually we call it local area network. If the network spans around a city or within like 16 kilometers, we usually call it a metropolitan area network. Then if you go beyond that, we call it a wide area network. So internet is an example for wide area network. So the question asks, a student goes to his school computer lab and connects his personal computer to his school computer network. Then connects the internet, download ICT textbook from the Department of Education publication website. In the list below, select the network type will be used to above scenario. School computer network is, we know the network limited to the computer lab, which means yes, local area network. And when he connects to the internet, then he connects to the wide area network. That means WAN, right? The correct answers are LAN and WAN. I think that part is very easy answer. Right. So with that, we finish the third question. Right. Okay. Then two, specify two strategies to prevent or control unauthorized access by operating system.
Password.
Yes. You can use usernames and password. Yes. What else? Yes, one strategy is use of username and password. Two strategies. Yes, Tarushi. Tarushi said fingerprint. Yes, you can use fingerprints. The latest technology we have face recognition, right? Face recognition or fingerprint. Yeah, that's correct. What else? Is that all? You can use username, password, that is traditional. Nowadays, computers, we have web cameras, they can recognize our faces. Sometimes you have a fingerprint identifier which identify your fingerprint. What else? Yes, even the voice recognition. And encryption is another one. Like usually if somebody is going to use your computer, your important data, you should encrypt. We will discuss these ideas later on. For the time being, I think we have discussed this idea anyway. Encryption means nobody can read your details. Encryption. Right? The term encryption means you can take down encryption. So nobody can read your data. So your files, you can password protect your files. It will encrypt your data. Nobody can read the data inside this. Encryption is another technology. And even you can use firewalls as well. If somebody wants to hack your system through network, even you can use firewalls. I think this is enough. Right. Okay, good. I mean, like, right. Another idea Yona said, this is a good one. We call two-factor authentication. Or sometimes we say multi-factor authentication, right? Two-step verification, sometimes we say, right? The right now we call multi-factor, the recent one, multi-factor authentication, or sometimes we are using two-factor. So what do you mean by this? Anybody who knows this? Familiar with this technology? Yes, when you log into a system, it will send you a SMS to your mobile phone, and using that code only you can log into the system. So this is, yeah, this is called two-factor authentication. පුතාලා සමහරලාට අපි වෙබ්සයිට් වලට යද්දි ඒකේ username password තියෙනවා, ඊට අමතරව code එකක් එනවා ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ phone එකට. So only using that code only you can log into the system. This is called two-factor authentication. Right now we have multi-factor. ඒ කියන්නේ එකටත් වඩා දේවල් තියෙනවා. හරි? සමහර අයගේ තියෙනවා මේ Gmail එකට තමයි message එක එන්නේ. Even you can use some email to get the code. You can use phone to get the code, right? Sometimes it needs to recognize your face, right? So when you have multiple ways, then it says multi-factor authentication. Usually we nowadays quite common, we see two-factor authentication. ඒ කියන්නේ පුතාලා වෙබ්සයිට් එකට log වෙද්දි ෆෝන් එකට SMS එකක් කියන එක දැන් ගොඩක් common. ඒ කියන්නේ security ඕන වෙලාවල් වලට මේක පාවිච්චි කරනවා. I think it's a good question. Yes. So let's move to the next one. Question number 4. First, I want you to send me the answers, then we'll discuss, right? So question number 4, part A. Send me the answers in the chat. Don't worry if you're making mistakes, but first thing is you should try. Right, let's discuss the answers. Use the words in the brackets to complete the following statement about the electronic presentation. Can be used to when switching from slide to slide. Yes. First one, slide transition, isn't it? Slide transition. So the transition means how do you change from one slide to another. Then second one, open the presentation and use which key combination to create a new presentation. So we know that there are a couple of key combinations are given to create a new presentation. We have to use Control, Control N key combination. Right. Third one, can be used to change the position of the slide. Position means whether it's in the first slide, second slide, third slide, and so on. Yeah. So which one we have to use? So you can see that the possible one should be slide sorter view. So we can see slide sorter view. If you want to change the format of the slide, yes, that means two contents, title and content, title, slide, and so on. This is called slide layout, right? So this is called slide layout. Is used for images and text. So what is used for? Yes, I think it should be the animation. Yes, so those are the answers. Right, let's move to the last one. The document shown in figure 1 below formatted to look like in figure 2 using the word processing software. Select the tool from the toolbox below and write the corresponding number and the label. So this is what we need to use. Right, let's start. Okay, so let's start. Yes, A. What is A? Yes, we have to have B, C, D, E. That's all right. These are the only things that we have to. So A is like, what is A? What is the name?
Text effect.
Yes, so that could be the fourth one, correct? Most of you have done. So what is B then? What should happen to B? So we have normal letters, the title case or normal typing, and you want to capitalize everything. So which one we have to use? How do you capitalize the title? So nobody, okay, Tivanka gave me the answer. But Tivanka, 11 is not needed because 11 is already in centered. So B, 11 is already centered. So there's nothing you can do with 11. So only change we expect is change this case to capital.
Change
Yes, change case, meaning what is the number?
6.
Yeah, it should be 6. So make a note of this one. So the B should be 6. It changes this to capital, or you can even change it to simple if you want, using change case. So this is the symbol that we need to use to change from this to this. Okay, C, I think it's an easy one. Yes, C.
8.
So what is the feature? Tell me the name for that feature. අපි එකට මොකද්ද කියන්නේ?
Line spacing.
Okay, you can say line spacing, but before that, yes, so we have the paragraph. For what can you see here? Yes, both edges.
Justify.
Yes, it's justified, isn't it? But justification is not available, right? So since justification is not available, so this is indentation 30. Justification, it's not given, but only change we can see now here the spacing. So line spacing we can use 8. So in case we can use 8 here. So justify is not 11, Tivanka, it's center, here center. So justify is not given here. So that's why. But the line spacing has changed. So we can change the line spacing here. So that is possible. How about D? So this paragraph converted into 2 columns, right? So the 2 columns,
Twelve.
yes, columns are changed using the 12. Right. And then last one. Yes, last one. That is 1, right? So you just bold it. So that is 1. So we have A4, B6, C8, D12, and E1. Okay, I think we have completed the second part. Good. We have 1 more hour to go. So let's move on to the question part 1. Can you have a look at the first, let's say 20 questions for the time being? First 20 questions first. Have a look at it, then we'll discuss. So let's look at the first 20 questions for the time being. I will give you like a couple of minutes, then we'll discuss the Right. So I think that's enough. Let's have a Kahoot session to figure out how far we can go. Right. So let me share the screen and then we can discuss the answers. So let me share the screen. Right. So let's start. And let's start classic mode. Again, don't worry about your answers, whether how many you are correct or not. I want everyone to participate, right? Participation is more important than winning the quiz. But if you can win, it's good. So go to kahoot.it. Use the game pin 7640594. Okay, I have to restart this. Sorry about that. There was issue in my other computer. So let me quickly start again. So you have to connect it again. Sorry about that. Let me share the screen again. Okay. Yeah, you can connect now. Yes, so the new game pin is 104 and 105.9. 104 1059. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so we have 5 already connected.